Cardano has consolidated from its lows over the past few weeks and is now poised for another bull run. It has been reported that there is a secret document leaked that Cardano is unstoppable after this. What is this all about that could impact Cardano's price to skyrocket soon? Watch out till the end to learn more about it. Cardano today reached a new milestone in the number of wallets ready to stake the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, as they surpassed the milestone for the number of wallets. In this video, we will discuss the recent milestone that Cardano just received, as well as other Cardano news. Meanwhile, here's a chart that shows how ADA is doing on the third week of January before we get into our topic. Based on the price analysis of Cardano, the coin is getting mixed sentiment from the market. Coin ADA managed to reach $1.50 and was trading at that level, but it is down 5.9%, and the selling pressure is still there, preventing further gains. Moreover, the bulls are struggling to maintain the price that is long in the $1.30 range due to the excessive pressure, and bears are stifling any further progress as the overall market is bearish. As can be seen in the one-day price chart for Cardano price analysis, the bulls have raised the price above $1.60, but the selling pressure is so high that they are unable to achieve any further gains. Despite this, the coin remains at $1.50, reporting a loss of 5.9% during the last 24 hours, and a gain of 26.2% over the last 7 days as the price continues to decline overall. Furthermore, there were only a nominal increase, and the situation could deteriorate if bulls lose control completely. Bollinger Bands show high volatility, with the upper limit at $1.85 and the lower limit at $1.23, representing support for ADA. Moreover, ADA's Bollinger Band average is $1.54, which represents resistance. So getting back to the point, let's get started. Wallets ready to stake Cardano, the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, have reached a new milestone for the smart contract platform. As of now, there are more than 1 million ADA holders ready to stake their coins and earn rewards, says the Cardano tracking site Pool.pm. Additionally, Cardano users own a stake in the protocol that is proportionate to their number of coins in the network. As a result, token holders can assign their tokens to others or stake themselves the digital assets themselves to earn rewards. Additionally, Cardano's number of active addresses has increased over the past several months. As per data from the analytics platform Messari, there were 485,693 active addresses on the network on November 22nd, which then fell to 150,476 on December 5th. As ADA plunged below $2, the number of active addresses on the network reached an all-time high. Furthermore, Input-Output Hong Kong CEO Charles Hoskinson predicted that DEXs could be coming by the end of this year to Cardano, the sixth most valuable crypto by market cap. And this record number of wallets staking ADA follows Hoskinson's prediction that the sixth largest crypto by market cap will have a decentralized exchange by the end of the year. Meanwhile, what is the said secret document that was leaked? Could it be related to the new Cardano launchpad? With Cardano Launchpad Flicto, media funding comes to the masses. It's rare to see a project with the ability to immediately convince or at least be likable at first glance. At a glance, Flicto's mission is to help independent creators produce their work, and that is its mission to potential investors. When it comes to financing, Flicto realized that there was a gap to be filled in the media space and has taken steps to close it. Additionally, Flicto is a Cardano app that enables users to fund media projects in return for rewards. Thus, through investors' funds, the Media Launchpad can offer to finance to creators and artists. Further, the Cardano ecosystem is overflowing with first-of-its-kind launchpads that allow anyone to fund and sponsor media projects of their choosing. Getting financing with Flicto before a project can be funded, users must vote for it on the Flicto Launchpad first, and users should hold Flick tokens to participate. Moreover, token holders then have the right to vote through the staked tokens. Then voting results are then used to determine which projects will be funded by the community. In addition to their Flick tokens, users can also stake their ADA tokens, and the users who have voted for a media project can also win rewards for their participation. Each media project financed by the Flicto community comes with benefits for investors. As a result of their participation, they receive a fraction of the distribution royalties from the projects they finance. By funding Flicto, they hope to discover and fund the next generation of content creators, filmmakers, television producers, and NFT artists. Meanwhile, veteran filmmakers Ben Morris and Geraint Harvard-Jones have become advisors in the project. Together, Morris and Jones bring decades of experience into the direction and production transaction spheres, which they will leverage to provide Flicto with the guidance it needs to succeed. It's still in its infancy as Flicto just launched, which means investors can take advantage of the low price early on. Over the past week, Flick tokens were sold in its first private sale. As part of this project, the ADA project will launch Kick.io, a Cardano-based project that will enable users to purchase Flick tokens. Also, ADA can be staked to earn Flick tokens, as well as participate in various airdrops associated with the project. Once the Flick token is listed, users will be able to purchase Flick tokens from centralized and decentralized exchanges following the private and pre-sale rounds. Investors will then be able to benefit from the launchpad because the digital asset will be distributed evenly and readily available. Moreover, the first ERC-20 converter has been launched on Cardano testnet, another positive development. And Cardano has launched the world's first ever ERC-20 converter. Despite being in the works for quite some time, IOG, the developer behind Cardano, had finally reached its launch milestone. In addition to supporting the migration of ERC-20 tokens from Ethereum to Cardano, the converter will also allow users to import other tokens from Ethereum. Furthermore, since the introduction of smart contracts, blockchain-related development has increased rapidly. Additionally, developers beginning to test out their dApps with help from the foundation have sparked the first signs of DeFi on the network. Also, it has prompted even more development, with the community looking forward to the day when it will be possible for them to access DeFi services across the Cardano blockchain. Cardano's blockchain is equipped with this anticipated capability by AGIX ERC-20 converter Singularity Net. Furthermore, AGIX's token enabled the converter to be tested. At present, the AGIX ERC-20 converter is available on the testnet, and users can move AGIX tokens between Cardano and Ethereum. In addition to this, AGIX transactions will be able to be performed on a network with a much higher transaction capacity and lower fees. With Cardano's emphasis on interoperability, this converter will help facilitate the project's objective of being completely interoperable. In addition to this, Charles Hoskinson has expressed a similar sentiment in the past by clarifying that it will not be possible for one blockchain to rule all others. However, blockchain infrastructures will coexist and compete with each other. By creating the converter, Singularity Net is furthering the benefits of interoperability by providing a way for ERC-20 tokens to be converted into Cardano native tokens while retaining their value and utility. It also works the other way around, since it gives users the option of converting tokens back to their original ERC-20 format using its built-in conversion system. According to CoinGecko's pricing, ADA has surged over 40% over the past 7 days, while Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and XRP have advanced to less than 5%. According to Messari, Cardano's transaction volume for 24 hours stood at $5.31 billion, while Ethereum had $5.59 billion. Although the gas fees associated with Cardano, the fees users pay for computing energy used to process transactions, were about $75,400, as opposed to Ethereum's $44 million during the same period. In addition, Hayden Hughes, the CEO of Alpha Impact, a social media platform for crypto traders, warned, "One could quite easily argue that the NFT market has found a gaslight way to transact, and that is the Cardano blockchain. Many have argued that it's only a matter of time before gas fees and congestion clog up the Cardano blockchain, leading to high gas fees. But despite the $5.31 billion in daily activity, we have not yet seen this." In recent months, Cardano has had its ups and downs. For a time, it was the third largest cryptocurrency behind only Bitcoin and Ether, and reached a market value of more than $100 billion in the hope of adding smart contracts. Despite the recent rally, it dropped since that point and is about 50% below its early September record. Despite having an enthusiastic fan base, Cardano has its detractors as well. Further, on Twitter, Galaxy Digital's Mike Novogratz wrote in August, "I spoke to 20 of the smartest people I know in the space, and 0 of them saw Cardano having traction with devs." Aside from this, Antony Trenchev, managing partner of Nexo, stated, "ADA's critics say there's too much talk and not enough action. Cardano's position as Ethereum's nemesis was somewhat usurped in 2021 by the rise of rival blockchains Solana and Avalanche, but clearly there's a passionate Cardano community eager for it to succeed. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a top 5 crypto." Having said all these, we can expect a positive impact on ADA prices. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.